the average rate of change in the hours worked with this first pair, and so the formula would be this minus this over this minus this. But let's just talk about it. I mean, that's an increase of 10 hours for no change in wages. So the calculations would be performed would be this, the change in H divided by the change in W. So you have 10-hour change, or an increase of 10 hours for no change in the wages. Now here's an interesting thing mathematically. If you try this in your calculator, it's gonna say no way, and it'll cause an error. And what we say here, division by 0 is undefined. And so to say that mathematically, or to apply this mathematically, then we have to say there is no rate of change. There is no average rate of change here to talk about, because that doesn't even make sense numerically. So just keep that in mind here as we're talking about this in this example here. Let's go to the next one here. Graph the data and then determine the slope of the line. So do that. Make axes here at the bottom, your horizontal, and the left hand side here, the vertical, and then label each grid line for have that be 1, each grid line be 1, and this way too, each grid line be 1, and that should be good. And then we'll talk about this in our next video.